So people, Vibes Cartel this alkaline the other day. You understand what I deal with? Via social media. You see me? And I come to discuss it, of course, and talk about some things and connect some dots. But before we get into all of that, remember to subscribe to the channel, seeing and hit the bell icon for more. That way they get the instant notification each time Dancehall Critics drop a content. Let's get into it, viewer subscribers. So just the other day, I scroll down on my Instagram timeline, viewer subscribers, and I happen to run into a Vibes Cartel post. You see what I say? And the post was a set of praying hands and all of these things. But the thing that really catch my attention more so was the caption that he wrote. You see what I say? And it was a clear disrespect to Alkaline, of course. You see what I say? Vibes Cartel made mentioning of the blind boy and all of these things. And it only put into perspective, personally for me, start think to myself, say, yo, Jano, you know what I say? It kind of makes sense strategically that you want to make sure say, your name a call in some way. Because good publicity, bad publicity is still publicity. Your name a call. Relevance is still a maintain, or in some way you still a get talked about. You get what I say? So of course this is some way him say, yo, dear Lord, thank you for allowing me. So he must say this like say, yo, a alkaline, I write the letter ya. Yes, so I say to Father God. Yes, so I say I talk about thank the Lord for the opportunity to be in America, counting buildings and billboards instead of climbing the billboard charts and selling gold while Cartel locked up, not getting pussy. Lord, I don't have a child because my sperm count is low. I don't and I didn't have sex till after graduation. What must I do? Now I realize the brata thing can't breed no girl. See? I made songs today and couldn't help calling Carter's name because my mind and whatever. But when get to what me I say, and I'm talk about at the end of it, him say, yo, the blind boy. You see what me I say? So we understand say, yo, shot still at you at Alkaline. You see what me I say? And would I like you to tell me in this particular instance here, who is the troublemaker? You see what me I say? Who are the shit starter in that case of your subscribers? You see what I say? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Why is it that at this particular point, even considering the fact that yo Jamil and Chronicler in a big battle where we don't know say without any question. You see what I say? Vibes Cartel are back Chronicler 100% because remember you know the man them have common enemies. You see what I say? And not to mention Vibes Cartel, they don't have them little man there under him wing. And I said little man them. You see what I say? Because we have to create the separation and the distinction here. Because remember, Jamie sing it in his song and I say, yo, dog, I'm not done. I create the idea, I say, yo, everybody over the MVP camp is individually, you know what I say, responsible for them own self and all of these things and them decision made necessarily. You see what I say? Well, of course, means, say, yo, is a level of independence also, and equality. So, no level of hierarchy no exists over MVP. However, we understand so with the Gaza thing and the Six thing and all of them something that's something that exists because a lot of time we hear utterance Medan and all of them things the way of course clearly indicates say yo you have a level to the thing where you have somebody there at a higher level than the other. Seeing somebody will call the shots and another man lick the shots them. You get what I say? Or another man move to whatever orders and them look at thing that you know he's given. You see me? So who is them man that for us ensue in a battle and them a big up themselves and a kind of control things. You know what I say? I kind of control the people them attention. So Vibes Cartel say, yo, me not gonna do that, you know. Concurrently or simultaneously, while them a war, me I go find a way to make sure I say, yo, my name still a call. So me I got this up Alkaline. Or whoever control Vibes Cartel page. You know what I say? Must I say? You saw me I said viewer subscribers. But more I know where Vibes Cartel hope to achieve. Is it that him expect to get a response, a diss track from Alkaline? Will Alkaline even see that this year and even respond to it? You saw me I said, or is it as a result of the fact that your Alkaline and Gigo them a troll him and them something there? You saw me I said people? Because when I realize that the man, they might use every local opportunity, you know, for make sure say them keep all of them enemy them you know me I say, in a them position. Meaning, me get a chance to shoot off a me enemy, me I do it. You see what me I say? So all the time the war not directly related to me per se, me I go find a way for kind of even jumpstart it or pick a beef then. Because it wouldn't be surprising for see Cartel drop a bad man tune you know, for Alkaline and the MVP. It would not be surprising viewer subscribers if you don't get what me I say. Because we see how the shape of things are right at this point. And not to mention, a war now would also help for, you know me I say, kind of zero the attention in upon the whole Gaza MVP kind of thing there. You see me? Because of that we see kind of starting to shape. So everybody else kind of seem, you know, in some ways kind of, overshadowed now. So, but Vybz Kartel see that and I say, it not gonna work. Me I gotta make sure I say, me stay current. You know me I say, me stay in the mix. And all that I go achieve, me know say me have to go continue to do what me do. And use the strategy them and the tactics them at right time. When me diss that blind boy right now. You saw me as a people? Tell me what you think, viewer subscribers, in the comment section. And for be quite honest, people, one I think that I find quite interesting is why is it that the man them use the same punch? You saw me I say are the same this as it relates to Alkaline not having any, you know me I say any children at this point in I'm life or in I'm career. You saw me I say people, why is it that everybody, the whole Gaza and anybody who affiliated with Gaza, where I look for this anybody over MVP side, especially Alkaline, have to use this word gelding something. You see what I say? Well, of course, I insinuate I implicate the idea, say, boy, oh, him can't have picnic, sperm count low, and rare, and you know me I say, like, some look at degrading something with, in a truth and in fact, Cartel, they know better than that, to even put them the post up. Because you know, say Alkaline career is not going into no ventilator and all of these little things. So you try basically say, yo, him thing just going to become like something puny. Where they now want like a small box. No, dog. Alkaline thing are going to continue to grow because you see the fan base that we have, it are going to continue to expand. That is what I believe. And that is what me envision. You see me I say, you have to understand, say, with the emergence of all of them new set of people, the young guns, them two are going to have for them set of fans. You see me I say? But tell me what you think in the comment section, viewer subscribers. Man, do you believe said the man for stop pressure this whole have picked something? Why make them not use one different line or just a different thing for use as a this? Rather than everybody chronically use it in a theme song. You see me I say, cause even just what them say, oh, that all weird one there where they can't have no picnic. Go breed a girl and all of them thing there. Alright, when Alkaline breed 2, 3 girl now, what go happen? What not go use? You get me I say, I'm not have nothing else to use as a this. Because Alkaline take out the sitting out time here and still same blind. It's like what me I get at is the way you own this Alkaline more time, does me gonna sound dunce and ignorant dog. You see me? I just the truth. But at the same time, that is my truth because of my opinion me I go now. You see me I say people? But tell me now again, why is it that Vybz Kartel would have used this at time here? See? Figure go make them the post at this Alkaline. You see what I say? Because one, him know what will happen. Him know say out of 1 or 2 things are going to happen. Matter of fact, him know say a couple things are going to happen. Him know say him going to get a response in some way. Whether it will be a subliminal diss in a song, or it will be a social media reaction, when not necessarily it will be direct. See? Or it can be direct on a social media, maybe more so on a Twitter platform from an Alkaline, if him feel like. You see what I say? But essentially, maybe the goal of doing so is to basically have, you know what I say, fans, people, vloggers, critics and all of these things a talk about you. Media essentially. You see what I say? Because that will continue to make you be remembered. And keep you, again, like I'm saying to people, this thing is all about keeping relevant, you know. And having a name, a call same way. In a some way or the other. But tell me what you think, viewers and subscribers, and my reason me I go now. Based on us what I say. One of the things them for note to people, what me I go show you all this kind of probably my tie-in. Seeing? Just the other day, recently, me noticed say, yo, no for Alkaline, like, affiliates or associates them are bridging them I make certain posts and I say, yo, I space kid this, I alien kid this. You see me I say? And maybe Vybz Kartel see them thing there and say, what that boy I try do? You see me I said, maybe that's the reason why in that same local post I will make and the caption where him did post, him write. Him say, but maybe them should have tried to be an astronaut. Shouldn't, you know what I mean? And him look at something there. And I try to insinuate the whole idea, say, yo, the man career just basically then a little tiny little suction tube. You know what I say? Like, basically it not go nowhere. It not go expand, it not grow. It not get no bigger than what it is. You know what I say? But my honestly cannot agree with that. What you think? Is that so? You know what I say? Is it a case where as so much people, including maybe all of the Gaza fans, them just look at Alkaline as just some little small artists? Like, personally, me can't see that. You see what I say? But would I like to hear what Uno think? You see what I say? In addition to the fact, say, yo, why is it that Vybz Kartel perpetuate, you know what I say, this whole, you know, battle between him and the kids them? Because them are the kids are dancehall. You see what I say? But tell me what you think though of your subscribers. And maybe it's as a result of the fact that yo Alkaline do a tune for him say yo Kartel or maybe Alkaline generalize the this. You see what I say for all him enemy them, including a Popcorn and the whole I man them wanna like him. You see what I say? But maybe the part where probably struck out or stood out of Vybz Kartel was the part where the man say, yo, no nah get no pussy on that talk about nah run street. Dog no nah run no street. You see what I say? And we are on the street, dog. A penthouse, a mansion, and them something that I will not talk about on our street, youth. A billionaires boys club winner. A high society living with them, dog. A sophistication with them, and they come like say to Alkaline go mention or something, you know, and I wipe it in a Vybz Kartel face. Vybz Kartel took it to Instagram now, people. Saying and decides, boy, I'm going to defend film position and defend in rank. You see what I say? And of course, this up the blind boy and make him know in position. No say him and nobody. You see what I say? And that essentially him say. Because all of that was something, of course, is a sarcasm. You see what I say? Based on how it is written. You see me? Because him talk about who Vybz Kartel now get no pussy and who him a run the place and ray. Now it make sense. You see what I say? But me can just build a tune and, you know me I say, just make it go tune, man. Just do tune. You see me? You can't follow Popcorn, you know, Kartel. Although, you know, Ram still, you know, he's a man with these people on Instagram and still go do song and diss them more and them something there. You see me I say? But people, my opinion, me I go, no, my commentary. Me just share some things we don't know. And of course, it's a reason we don't know. But I like to hear full opinion, full insight, and just all of me talk about. You see what I say? Do you believe Alkaline are going to continue? You know what I say? The two of them are going to continue to perpetuate throwing jobs at each other. You see what I say? And what will be the of course the outcome? Who will be the beneficiary? Who will benefit great rather? You know what I say? Or who will reap the greater success or the greater benefit? You know, out of that something. Yeah. You get what I say, people? Tell me what you think in the comment section. Remember, Dancehall Critics, if you haven't subscribed, do it now. And remember to ring the bell icon. I'm out.